what does digging the holes accomplish? Basically, animals are motivated for the most part by the same things: food, water, shelter. But some are more visually motivated, scent motivated, whatever. So I've been placing bait the past couple days in these traps, and it has been attracting foxes and raccoons. Neither of those are my target animals. So the goal is, maybe if I use what's called a blind set. So I set it exactly like I normally would, but I make it more visually attractive than nasally attractive. I'm more likely to catch something that is a eye motivated animal instead of a nose motivated animal. So that's the idea. I started by just digging a bunch of holes around my traps, hoping that they would get confident. They'll dig up one hole looking for bait, not get caught by anything, not get suspicious, and then do that enough so that when they finally go to dig up where one of my traps are, they've kind of lost a little bit of the inhibition, and they're just going for it and they get caught. And that's what happened with both of the foxes. So as an example, you can see pretty clearly here, this is the trail going up, and it almost looks like somebody drew it with a marker going up right here. So when you have a well-defined travel path, you don't necessarily need to use bait to call them over to your trap. You just put your blind set within that travel route that you already know they're going through, and then let the visual do its work. So that's what I did. I had the auger. I already know that there's a bunch of prints going along this path, so I just dug a bunch of holes and I stopped placing bait because I don't want to catch the raccoons. I don't want to catch the foxes. I'm trying to catch the coyotes. Now that I've got a breeding pair of red foxes out of the population and a handful of the raccoons, I'm gonna start using baits again, but that's because I think I've gotten rid of a bit of the competition. I can't speak, but that's the goal. That's what we're doing.